Hi everyone and welcome to Lou's Brew Lab. Today we are going to be making a really simple apple, mango and passion fruit wine. So let's get straight into it. So first of all we're going to crack this open. We just want to tip a little bit of it out just to get rid of some, because otherwise we're going to have too much. Make sure you pop the lid off because we're going to be reusing this bottle. So you don't need no equipment for this. All of this equipment, I'm going to do all the testing for you. The only things you are going to need is this, sugar and some yeast, and that is it. So we're just going to tip a little bit out. About that much. You might as well drink that because it tastes really good. This is from Asda. You can use any sort of apple juice, mango juice, as long as it's 100%. And there's no other stuff in there, so you can use whatever you want. Yeah, so whatever you fancy. So I'm just going to pop this in the top. All of my equipment has been sterilised before, so make sure you sterilise your equipment. And we're just going to pop that straight in the top, like so. And then I'm just going to chuck the sugar in. We've got 155 grams of sugar in here, because what we're hoping to get is a 15% out of this. So we'll see if it is 15%. But 17 grams of sugar equals roughly 1%. So I believe in this there's 100 grams of sugar. So yeah, that's what we're aiming for. I'm going to take that out now. Got a little bit of sugar left in there. So we're just going to try and get that back in. So that's it for that. And then we're just going to give that a little shake because we want to dissolve that sugar. Make sure the lid's on. Give it a shake. Just going to try and dissolve all that sugar. We are using pure turbo yeast today. You can use any yeast. You can use bread yeast, whatever you fancy. Again, you can use any type of sugar. Just make sure it's like white sugar, I believe. So just give that a decent shake. Give that a second. We just want to make sure there's nothing. It looks like we've dissolved it. So we're just going to pop that lid. And then we're just going to pitch our yeast. So I'm just going to go for half a teaspoon, tablespoon. Half a tablespoon, just in there, pure turbo yeast, so straight in there. And then what we're going to do, I was going to test it, but you meant to test it before you put your yeast in. So we're not going to use that this time, so we're just going to give it a shake. We should be coming up around 15%. I believe this particular yeast, on the back it says roughly around ABV, roughly around 14 to 15%, so hopefully it should come out around that. Just gonna give that a shake. Make sure it's all properly shaken in. And then what you're going to do, because we don't want the lid tight, we're just going to unscrew the lid just a little bit. Give it a squeeze. A little bit more. And that will do. So that is it. So that's how easy it is to make. Here we're making an apple and mango and passion fruit, but that's how easy it is to make alcohol. You can use any type of juices, as long as they're 100% pure. That's it. We're going to leave that for 2 weeks and then see how it goes. So we're back in 2 weeks. Okay, and we're back. It's been about 2 weeks for our orange, mango and passion fruit. and we just added 155 grams of sugar and a little bit of turbo yeast to this. So we're going to try it now and just see how it tastes. It was ready in about a week, about 7 days, but I've left it 2 weeks. So I'm just going to pour a little bit out and just give it a little taste test. It smells very, just kept its smell. It smells very nice. So there is a bit of sediment in the bottom, so just be careful when you do pour. You don't get none of that sediment in there. It's what happens when the yeast eats the sugar and it dies off. It just settles at the bottom. So let's give it a go. Cool, very strong. That's very, very strong. Still kept a little bit of that fruity flavour, but whew, that is strong. Cool, yeah. So yeah, if you want to make that, it's literally just, I've used there apple, mango and passion fruit juice from Asda, 155 grams of sugar, and some turbo yeast. So it tastes good. It's got some fruity flavours still in it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and like and subscribe.